Speak slowly. A hurried voice betrays agitation. A steady tone conveys confidence and seriousness. Measured words are heard more clearly than shouts. They show rational strength, not distress. Focus on objective facts, not on subjective hurt. Sticking to what happened preserves dialogue. By stating simple truths, you correct the record and set a boundary. This is not about winning an argument. It keeps bridges intact in a small, interconnected workplace. By addressing behavior, not character, you leave room for apology, correction, and restoration.